Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to withdraw tokens from Uniswap to your wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that your wallet is connected and has sufficient network fees. So first open your app.uniswap.org and then you will connect your wallet. And then next you will click pool if you are withdrawing, so it should be visible right here if you've already logged into your wallet. And then what you will have to do is basically just look for the pool option. So it should be right here if you do have the full access. And then what you will do next is for swap if you are converting, by the way. And then you will, after that, you will select the token that you would want to withdraw, and then you will enter the amount. So just click send, and then you will select your token again. So make sure to buy if you don't have one yet. And then what you will have to do is click withdraw, or you will click swap, which is right here. And then it depends really on your choice, and you will approve the transaction in your wallet. And finally, you will just have to wait for the confirmation on the blockchain, and then check your wallet to ensure that the tokens have arrived. And always double check gas fees before approving. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.